In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely reset your WordPress site, ensuring you start with a clean slate for new projects, revamps, or simply a fresh beginning. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone exploring WordPress for the first time, following these steps carefully will give your website a brand new lease of life. Before diving in, let's talk about backing up your data. It's crucial because once you delete everything, there's no turning back. Make sure to save any files, media, or pieces of content you might want to keep. Consider using a backup plugin that can securely store all your existing WordPress files and database, either on your computer or a cloud storage service. Think of it as packing away precious keepsakes before you redecorate a room. You want to ensure nothing of value gets lost in the process. Once your backup is securely stored, head over to your file manager within your web hosting dashboard. This is where you'll find all the files connected to your WordPress site. Look for the root folder, often named after your website, or labeled as public, HTML, or www. Here's the moment of truth. You'll need to delete all files residing in this root directory. This action essentially wipes away the current version of your website, clearing away all remnants of the existing setup. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Consider it a thorough spring cleaning, getting rid of clutter and making way for new ideas. Next, it's time to tackle the database. Navigate to the Databases section and select MySQL Databases. Here you'll see a list of all databases associated with your account. Identify the one linked to your WordPress site and proceed to delete it. Doing so removes all old tables and data, ensuring nothing lingers from your old site. Think of this as resetting a chalkboard to write a brand new lesson. You want a spotless surface to start afresh. With the old site and its database thoroughly cleaned out, you can proceed with reinstalling WordPress using the Auto Installer, a tool designed to make this task quick and hassle-free. Locate the Auto Installer in your hosting dashboard and follow the prompts to set up a new WordPress installation. This step grants your site a fresh start, free from dated themes or faulty plugins that bogged it down before. Imagine opening the doors to a newly refurbished space, ready to be decorated and personalized with your vision. And there you have it. Your WordPress site starts anew with a clean slate, ready to be transformed into whatever you envision, whether it's a vibrant blog, a sleek portfolio, or a professional business site. Remember, managing a website is an ongoing process, and periodic refreshes can bring renewed focus and creativity. Happy building, and good luck with your new WordPress